Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So a 1 over a to the power of n equals to a to the power of negative n. Now we can apply the formula for s squared and we have like this. Next, this one multiplied by this one, and this one. So this one we have negative number 3, this one we have negative number 4, and this one we have negative number 5. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of s to the power of n dx. We have s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we can apply this formula in here. So negative number 3 plus 1, we have negative number 2. The next one, that is about negative number 3. The next one, that is about negative number 4. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.